So let's go over impulse factor number 6, the power of suggestion. And guys, this one's super funny because especially when you're new to sales and marketing, but especially sales, it will surprise you, seriously. So what is the power of suggestion? It's an impulse factor that we use, and I can't stress this enough, to gently guide our customers through the process of buying into our product or service. Why do we use this? Because people are open to suggestions. And again, you'd be surprised. People are truly open to suggestions, especially if they feel like it's coming from you naturally and they're connecting with you, they feel comfortable around you. And so how do we utilize the power of suggestion? You can break eye contact. As simple as, here, so this is our product or service. Let me show you how. You want to smile. You just want to maintain your level of comfort. Again, you want to utilize indifference as well, which is another impulse factor. Again, a lot of these impulse factors are intertwined. When you're utilizing one, you also may be utilizing the other one. When it comes to power of suggestion, you're definitely going to want to maintain a level of indifference as well. And so other things that we can do, again, we can say, let me show you. I know, right? And guys, I've gotten so many sales just because I truly just made a suggestion. People are extremely open to advice, especially, again, when they trust and are comfortable around you. And again, so let's go over power of suggestion just one last time. What is it? A guide to take customers through the process of buying our products or services. Why do we utilize this impulse factor? Because people are truly open to suggestions. This one is so funny to me because once I really started utilizing it, here, let me show you here. So I already know you want to go ahead and do it. So here, I'm going to go ahead and get you signed up. People are just sitting there letting me do it. They're just waiting for me to finish and they're buying into our products and services. And we're truly able to utilize this impulse factor to bring a bunch of value to people's lives. You got to remember, we're doing these people favors. They want to buy into our products or services. We're just making it that much easier. Guys, the power of suggestion is extremely powerful. Again, you're going to utilize the power of suggestion a lot of times with indifference. So have that level of indifference as well. But definitely know when to use this one because it works. Let's get it, guys.